Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your pre-owned 2015 Toyota Sienna SE. It's a 4-door, 8-passenger front-wheel drive passenger van in a pre-dawn gray mica. Under the hood, you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch wheels. Included in your SE package is your navigation, your BluRay DVD player for your rear passengers, as well as a tri-zone climate control to ensure everybody is riding nice and comfortably. But why don't we hop on inside and take a look at your interior features. Helping you into your Sienna is your handy smart key system. It has the lock, the unlock, as well as your power slide doors on the side, your power lift gate, and your panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. What we're going to do now is we're going to lock up those doors, and we're going to simply run my hand across the handle and it will unlock for you. Right away you're greeted by a stunning interior with that leather trim on the side, that contrasting stitching. You also have your power windows, your power locks, and your power adjustable side mirrors. On the side here you have your blind spot monitor, as well as your traction control and turning on and off those power doors. Your Sienna does come with a set of all-weather floor mats to keep everything nice and clean at the front. You also do have your power adjustable driver seat, so you're nice and comfortable driving your Sienna off of our lot. And check out the detailing put into your interiors. You have that contrasting stitching, those comfortable quilted leather seats, just tying all of that class together. You have your DVD player on top, as well as your power slide moonroof, which lets in all of that fresh air during those long summer drives. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up. Starting up your Sienna with your smart key system, simply put your foot on the brake and hit that push start button there. That dashboard's going to light up with that cool welcome screen. Check that out there. I'm going to turn the fan down a bit so you can hear me. What we're going to take a look at now is that ambient lighting on your dashboard there. You have your multi-information display and your kilometers posted at 92,837. Your multi-information display can be controlled by your steering wheel mounted controls here, and you can adjust all of your settings. You also do have your voice command, your volume control, your hands-free calling, and below here you have your cruise control. Great for those highway driving days. Taking a look at your LCD screen now. Opening up your audio system, you can see that you have your AM, FM radio, your Sirius XM radio. You have your USB auxiliary and Bluetooth audio, as well as your CD player, so you can bring your music wherever you go. And opening up that rear there, you can see that you have your DVD player, your Blu-ray player. Definitely great, especially when you're taking everybody on the road. You want to keep everyone nice and entertained. Opening up your applications now for you. You have your navigation system. Very easy to use, so come on in, punch in your home address and see how it works for you. Another fun app that comes with your Sienna is your driver easy speak. So when you turn it on, your passengers in the back can hear you without you having to strain your voice. So I'm going to turn that off now. What we're going to do is we're going to shift into reverse, and you can see that your backup camera also pops up on the screen there. A nice safety feature to have to protect everything that's important to you. Driving in the ultimate comfort, you have your tri-zone climate control, so you can set a different temperature for your driver, your passenger, as well as your rear passengers, and choose to sync. You do have your automatic climate control as well as your air conditioning. Again, those Alberta summers do get hot, so that air conditioning will come in handy. Below here you have your heated seats for both your driver and your passenger side, which you can adjust the temperature to your comfort level. You have your USB auxiliary input, your 12-volt DC charger, those cup holders that stow away, because you can't have enough cup holders, especially when everybody is demanding from you. Here below here is where you can insert your Blu-ray disc. You also have another 12-volt DC charger and USB charger below there with all of your storage. You have some more cup holders with your center console. A nice, neat system with plenty of space to store everything that you need. On the back of your center console, you have your media inputs as well as another 120 volt AC plug-in. Above here, you have your storage for any smaller items you want to carry, and you have that leather trim with that contrasting stitching. And inside your glove box, you have all the manuals you'll need to know, as well as the remote control for your DVD player and that lock to keep everything nice and protected. Plenty of sophisticated and convenient options built right into your Sienna, but why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Sienna. To open up that trunk, simply hold that button on your fob, and that power lift gate will come up for you here. Check out all that space that's available to you. Even with that third row seating, you have your handy bag hooks on the back, as well as your two-step system to fold those seats and stow them away. You have your cargo lamp for visibility, as well as your 120 volt AC plug-in and your 12 volt DC charger. In case you need to charge anything, you have some additional storage on the side, as well as your cargo net. But why don't we fold your seats down and take a look at all that space that's opened up. Stowing away that third row seating is nice and easy. Simply follow the easy two-step system and it drops down. And check out all that space that's opened up to you in the back of your Sienna to store any larger items you need to carry. Now those rear seats do completely remove from the back as well, in case you have extra large items, you're going furniture shopping. Definitely keeps your Sienna nice and versatile for you. To reactivate that power lift gate, press that button there. It'll slowly come down. Taking a closer look now, you do have your backup camera available below there to help you in and out of those tight spots, as well as your handy skid plate to keep everything nice and protected. You have your SE chrome badging as we take one more look at the back of your Sienna.
Taking one final look at your 2015 Toyota Sienna SE, fully loaded with convenience options like your backup camera, your power slide doors, as well as your folding third row seats. You'll definitely have a vehicle that can stand up to your busy lifestyle. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.